everyone, welcome back to another Slime Rancher guide. Today I will be explaining to you how to get royal jelly. So anyways, what you need to make is either a novice apiary or an advanced apiary. So I just made both of them. So what I can do now is I can just head on over to the glass desert so I can put my thing down in build mode. So let's just do that real quick. So if you haven't unlocked the glass desert, you might want to focus on my storyline for a bit. So where I'm gonna place it, I'm just gonna place it right here. Let's do it here. Okay, I'm gonna place one on that side, and then I'm gonna place one on this side. And so after we've placed both of those down, we can just sleep in for a bit. So what we can do is we can just sleep until morning. And so after we've slept until morning, we can go back to the glass desert, and we can go back up to our machines, which should be right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna go grab this one first. So let's see if we got it. Alright, no, we didn't get the royal jelly from that one. How about this one? Nope, didn't get the royal jelly from that one either. So let's just go back and sleep in for a bit again and see if we got the royal jelly. Nope, no royal jelly from that one. How about this one? See? Alright. Just got a royal jelly, Buzzwax, and pepper jam in Mexico. So yeah. Anyways, enjoy your free royal jelly. This is also a pretty hard thing to get in the game. So yeah. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your day and please subscribe to the channel. So bye.